All righty. Welcome back, guys. All right, this is my last video with you, and I know some of you are very sad about this. Some of you are probably like, thank goodness he's getting to be gone. I'm tired of looking at that hair. I know. I think some of you really are jealous of my hair too. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go over something very quickly with you. Kind of one last assignment you got to get done this week. All right, so this is going to make you think just a little bit about what you've learned and where we're going. Okay, well, I'm not going with you because this is it for me. But where you're going, Mr. Bailey, I mean, I say we because I like teaching. I wish I could teach for you next week. I mean, I do. I could bring my hair, my jacket, and we could do this all. Man, I could bring it up in here again. It'd be great. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm nothing that. All right. Let me get this pulled up here. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So this. You know what? This looks like the slide we left off on. You know why? Because it is. All right, and I just want you to realize that because I like you. All right, so last time I talked to you, we talked about the differences in the North and the South. Now, I know I also gave you a reading to do this week that also talked about the North and the South. All kinds of differences between them. You have economic differences, you have how they deal with the immigrants, even their climate. I mean, you have geography, all kinds of industry change, all kinds of different stuff. You have the population differences, I mean, all kinds of things just going on, okay? And so what you're going to need to do today, or this little assignment, is really you're going to need to come up with 2 to 3 sentences, not even a whole paragraph, guys. 2 to 3 sentences is all you really need. And the first thing you need to look at is which region is falling behind. So you have the North and the South, right? North would be up north on the map. South is usually on the bottom. That's why I did North and South. Okay. So which one of them is falling behind? And the second thing you need to think about, number next there, right? Number next. I heard that from Mr. Bailey. I thought it was really cool. I think I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to start saying number next. Yeah. Right. What was it? Oh, yeah. Here's the thing. How will that impact the outcome of the Civil War? Now, to answer that question, what you really need to be thinking about is what makes you successful in war? Okay. Why would a country be successful in war, right? You know, I mean, there's all kinds of different things. And so you just need to take a moment and think about what you need to be successful at it. Right. And so think about that. Think about what you learned about the North and the South, and see which one's falling behind, and where kind of why you think they're falling behind. Think about why they're falling behind, and then like how could that impact things. I mean, if one country's or one country, one section, region there's falling behind, what kind of impact is that going to have on the Civil War, right? And again, there's lots of different moving pieces, and there's lots of different ways you can go with this. Now, the first question, really, there's only 2 possible answers. It's either the North or the South, right? You got 50-50 on that one. But from there, how will that impact, whatever you think, how could that impact things? Okay, and you just got to think about it. Man, I'm just asking you a couple things, 3 sentences. You get that turned into Mr. Bailey. Any questions on that? You shoot him a message. Let's see, he's got Remind. He's got Edsby, I think you guys call it, right? He's got even text. I think some of you have texted him a little bit, things like that. So whatever it is, guys, you just get a hold of him, asking questions. He will certainly help you out. Now, I think some of you have some questions about my hair, the jacket here, the tie, those kinds of things. Some of you are wondering, well, where can I get that? How can I get my hair to look like that? Well, just so you know, it's taken me a long time to get my hair to look this good. Okay, this didn't just happen overnight. Okay, so if you're willing to invest the time and effort into it, you too can have hair like this. Now, as far as the outfit here, well, I got a special little place. I get that. But if you really want to know, you ask Mr. Bailey, and he'll get that message to me, and I'll see about, letting you know where I get this kind of impressive kind of outfit. Okay, so, well, it's been my pleasure teaching you guys this week, and maybe in kind of good luck, I'll be able to come back again, help you guys out, teach you a little something else about U.S. history. But if not, I know you are in good hands with Mr. Bailey. He knows his stuff, guys. I'm telling you, he's good at what he does. I know he doesn't like to, me to say that about him, but he is pretty good. He does know a thing or two about U.S. history. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And See ya.